I loop that around my grade stake. That's going to allow me to swing a nice radius with my paint stick. This is the boulder backdrop or built-in seating. Another cool feature that we're going to be putting in to this space is a natural flagstone inlay. We're going to have like 18 to 20 inches of stone here. We're setting up for integrity. We had to go a little bit deeper on this job because I wanted to find some nice, firm, light soil. I'm then going to develop my pitch, which I like to use an 1/8 inch per foot. These are just reference points as I work my way out. The first one is the most crucial step. How far out do we have to be? How far down do we have to be? But as we build this staircase, we are going to incorporate boulders, just like they incorporated wood to take on each side of the staircase. I have a nice space to work with here. My setback won't show any of that back. So a bottom course or bottom block ideal scenario is something like this. Here's a little trick, a little trade secret I'm gonna let you guys in on. I work each inlay over the banding line. I spray this out so I know how far to lay this pattern. This will be filled with a polymeric sand, with a wide joint polymeric sand. It's not tight, but it still follows the contour with a parallel gap. So we're gonna start on the low side of our pitch, and then we're gonna level each block into the high side. So this concrete edge restraint is holding in our chip layer. It's also holding in our paver. When we get this wet, it locks up those polymers and hardens like a mortar. This is why we paid attention to every single thing that we could, is for this final presentation to our client, this final portfolio piece that we have.